How you doing? Dave Baronelli here with MarineMax Boston. Today I'm going to take you on a quick tour of this new 2024 Aviara 28. This is the outboard model. This has the single 400 V10. The boat runs fantastic with. Of course, you've got a nice big sun pad back here with a small backrest to sit facing aft. Inside here, you've got storage for your fenders. You do have a freshwater shower here in the aft. Of course, you've got gray sea deck throughout the whole boat. As you come in for a 28-footer, you can feel that the boat feels really big. You've got a ton of seating here on the port side. You've got rear facing on the starboard side. As you come into the boat, this boat is equipped with the optional Kenyan electric grill, freshwater sink. Of course, this boat has an inverter, so you can run that off of your battery power or your shore power. And then, of course, you've got your isotherm refrigerator underneath here. As you come forward, you've got center index storage underneath us here. You do have seats that are adjustable, so you can see that these will come forward or aft, so you can sit facing forward or aft. At the helm, you've got a double wide helm seat with a bolster. And again, this will adjust if you want to bring this forward so that you can use this as a bolster as well too. The boat is equipped with Simrad electronics, GPS chop plotter, fish finder, depth sounder. Next to it is going to be all of your controls for your lights, your bilge pumps, stereo. Everything is going to be built into there, so you'll notice how nicely appointed the helm is, and there's not a lot of switches. It's very, very simple. This boat has Lenco auto trim tabs. There is charging on the side there. Here you're going to have a nicely appointed head. So you do have a sink downstairs. You have a Dometic vacuum flush toilet. And as you come forward, you'll notice you do have a door here, and then the window shuts so that you can see if you are in any kind of weather, you can be protected from it. As you come forward into the bow of the 28, you'll notice the boat is very, very deep for a 28. I mean, if I sit here, you can see how much room there is up here in the bow. And then up here is your ground tackle, anchor windlass, of course. So this is, again, just a quick tour of the new 28 Aviara. For more information, please call me at 401-569-3874 or visit us at MarineMax.com. Thanks again.